Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have a rectangle and there is a triangle inside it. The area of this white triangle is 32 square meter and we have to find the total area of these two triangles. At first, consider the length of this rectangle as A. So this length, this is A, and consider the width of this rectangle is B. So this length consider as B. As the width of this rectangle is same as the height of this triangle, so this length is also B. So the area of this white triangle is half times base of this triangle is A. So A and height of this triangle is B. So B. This is the area of this white triangle and we have given the area is 32. So we can write this is 32. And multiplying both sides by 2 will get the value of AB. So AB is equal to 32 times 2 is 64. Now consider this length as X and this length as Y. And the area of this triangle is delta 1 and the area of this triangle is delta 2. So at first the area of this first triangle delta 1 is equal to half times base times height. Base of this triangle is X and height of this triangle is same as width of this rectangle, which is B. So area of this triangle is half times base is X times height, this is B. Similarly, the area of this triangle delta 2 is half times base of this triangle is Y and height of this triangle is also B. So the total green area delta 1 plus delta 2, this is sum of these two, which is half times X times B plus half times Y times B. Now taking common half times B, we will get half of B times, here it will remain this X, and taking common this half B will remain here Y, is equal to this X plus Y. This is same as the length of this rectangle, which is A. So A is equal to this X plus Y. So substituting this X plus Y as A here, we can write half times this B times this as A is equal to half times this is AB. And we have found this AB is 64. So substitute here, we'll get half times AB is 64. And 64 divided by 2 is 32. So the total green area delta 1 plus delta 2, this is 32 square meter. So 32 square meter. And this is the solution of our given problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.